Hello, and welcome to the video tutorial on accessing ProQuest Central to begin a basic search. We'll begin at frontrange.edu. Towards the top of the screen, you will see the option for Student Experience. When you select Student Experience, a blue menu will appear. Libraries will be the fourth option from the top of the screen. When you select Libraries, it will take you to a new page. This is the Front Range Community College Libraries splash page. This will provide basic information and the locations of our libraries. We have Boulder County Campus, Larimer Campus, and Westminster Campus. For this video tutorial, we will select Boulder County Campus. Now we are at the Boulder County Campus Library homepage. The quickest way to access ProQuest Central is to select the tab on the left side of your screen that says Quick Database Links. This will take you to a new page where our popular databases will be listed. Scrolling down towards the bottom, you will see ProQuest Central. When you select ProQuest Central, if you are off campus, you will be prompted to sign in using your S number and eWolf password. If you are on campus, you will gain direct access to the ProQuest Central database. We will start our basic search by using a basic term. Notice that on the drop-down menu, it will provide options for you. In this case, we will ignore those and just search our main database. On our search results, we have over 10.5 million search results. On the left-hand side, we have our limiters and filters that we can use to narrow down our search results. In the middle of the screen, we have our search results, and this will be divided into 20 search results per page. On the right-hand side, you will have relevant materials to your search located in different formats. If you need to, you can utilize the Modify Search feature on the right-hand side of the screen to change your search if you need to. If you provide any further assistance, please reach out to your Boulder County Campus Library staff or Boulder County Campus librarian. Thank you.